sweet lady, would you be my sweet love for? Y'all, those was my jams back in the day. Hey guys, it's Jemoni Ashae, and if you haven't seen by the title already, this video is going to be about, basically like getting to know me and my life and just what I'm up to, and what I like to do in life and all that kind of good stuff. So first, I'll start off with I went to college. I went to college for culinary arts, and I also went to college for real estate school. And as you can see, none of those worked out for me, or you probably can't see, but they did not work out for me. Don't get me wrong, I still absolutely love food, and I absolutely still want to own real estate. But I just don't think that those are the career paths that I want to take in life anymore. But I absolutely still love, of course, food, and I just love looking at beautiful houses and the interior and the design and all of that stuff. And let me see, I am 29 years old, guys. I cannot believe this year I'm 29. Next year I will be 30 years old. I'll be hitting my 30s, my dirty 30s, and I just can't believe it because I don't feel that way. Like, I still feel like I'm like 22, 23 years old. Like, it's crazy. So if you guys can relate, go ahead and write a comment down below, because I really don't feel my age. I don't feel like I'm that old, because when I was younger, I was just like, when people told me that they was 30, I was like, ooh, you 30? Like, you're old. But now I'm that age, and I'm like, it's really not that old. Like, I'm still young, but if you have not seen my face before and you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like and that notification bell to get updates on my newest videos. But yeah, I love music. I love movies. I love, I can watch, okay? I can binge watch movies on Netflix and Hulu all day long, okay? With a bag of popcorn or some chips and cookies with some drink or slushy or something like that. Like, y'all, listen, that's life, okay? And just binge watch movies and stuff. I love to travel. Traveling is what I inspire and want to do very long term and soon in the future. Like, traveling out of the country, not just traveling in states, but I literally genuinely just want to see the world and learn other cultures, and I really like that. If you guys love K-dramas, comment down below too, because I love K-dramas too. Like, me and my sister really got me into it. I think not the first K-drama, but I think the very first like different culture series that we ever watched was Good Morning Call. If you guys know that series, write a comment down below, because I absolutely love that series. But it's not K-drama, but that's what kind of introduced us to K-drama, and we got addicted. Like, we're addicted, and so we'll watch those sometimes together, sometimes, most of the time, by ourselves, and we'll call each other, I'll be like, Yana, did you see that? And she's like, yeah, I seen that. And just I love it. Another thing that I like is spending quality time with my family. I absolutely love spending time with my family, y'all. Like, family is like the most important thing to me, to be honest. And I just love when we get together. Like, it makes me feel whole. Like, right now I'm away from my family. Like, I'm living, not with my mom and my dad and my sister and my brother and stuff. Like, growing up, that's what you're used to your whole entire life, and not living together anymore, and not just them, but my cousins and aunties and stuff like that too, not being close in the area to them, to just like go down the street and like visit them and stuff. It's like you're kind of not whole, like you're missing a little piece. And it's like when you get with your family, it's like that, oh, I can breathe again, that woosah type thing. I don't know if you guys ever feel that feeling, but that is definitely what and how I be feeling. And our parties are insane, guys. Like, we'll stay up to the next day and then we'll go to sleep that night, or we'll stay up to like 3-4 o'clock that morning and be partying still till then, and uncles, dads out on the grill, and you know, the parents and stuff talking, and the kids and all that kind of stuff, like just playing games and stuff. Like those are the times I cherish the most and I love the most. And I do have a boyfriend, guys. I do have a boyfriend, and you know, I just love love. I love, it's a lot of stuff that I like and I want to experience in life. So I got a lot to look. I feel like I still have a lot in my life to look forward to. And yeah, I hope you guys can relate to this. If you can relate to this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button, that notification bell as well, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you can relate to some of these things. Yeah, I love animals, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I necessarily want animals anymore, because living with my boyfriend, like, we have so many dogs here, and I'm just like, I don't think I will. I love animals, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I necessarily want them in my house. But what I do want, I am looking for kids in the near future. So that's definitely, I've always wanted to be a mom since I was maybe like 13 years old. I think I remember myself going to my grandma's house and I was like, Grandma, I want to be a mom, I want to have a baby. And she's looking at me like I'm 13 years old, like, what? Like, what? And I was just like, I just want somebody to love me the way, you know, I love everybody else, and so deeply. I don't know what I was talking about, guys, but I definitely see that in the near future and stuff. And, you know, just little things about my life and stuff. And I love crafts. I love DIY stuff. I love makeup. I love fashion, and just everything. I love comedy. I love being silly and playing around and joking. I like walks in the park, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love going swimming and stuff, you know, just a lot of stuff. But definitely makeup and fashion. Like, guys, I can't dress for nothing, okay? Like, I'm very simple when it comes to clothes and stuff. Like, I'll put on a pair of skinny jeans and just have a top on, you know what I'm saying? And I'll do my makeup here and there. But like fashion, I mean, like, I'll give a shout out to De'Ara Taylor, because I love her fashion. Like, she's one of my favorite YouTubers, first of all, and I love her fashion. I love her style and stuff, and I want to grow into my fashion sense. I don't feel like I've done that yet. But I love to dibble and dabble in makeup. I think I've gotten better over the years, but I definitely did not start off as good as I feel like I am, but I'm still not as good as I want to be. So that's still a work in progress too. And I just love like I said, I love DIYs and crafting and like making things and art, because I'm a very artsy type of person. I love painting, I love drawing, I love, you know, music. I love all of that type of stuff. So if you can relate, drop a comment down below. Let me know, you know, what you can relate to, and are these some of the things that you like as well. I'm a 90s baby, so the music that I love is 90s music. Like, I love 90s music and the early 2000s music. Those are my jams. Brandy, Monica, Destiny's Child, Beyonce, and like all the old gold, Boys the Men, you know what I'm saying? Music like that just touch your soul and stuff. Like, you know, Brian McKnight, I mean, good old music. Keith Sweat, Genuine, Tyrese, sweet lady, would you be my sweet love for? Y'all, those was my jams back in the day, and they still my jams today, and I'll listen to them on replay because, like, I love and I miss that era and time and stuff like that. But I think that's a pretty good chunk and a good bit about. Another thing, I love doing nails. My nails are not done right now, guys, but I love doing my nails. I started doing nails when I was very, very young, like just playing and just painting them with nail polish and stuff like that, till recently I got into polygel nails, and I've been learning how to do some of those. And you can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok as well, and you'll see some of the posts of where I did my nails with the gel nail set. So let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see any type of videos on the polygel nail sets, because I absolutely love to do that. Yeah, I think that's everything about me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about what I'm about and, you know, my life, and I hope you guys get a little insight of who I am. And I hope you come back for the next week's video, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.
Don't say I realized too late.